Welcome to MT Engineering. In this tutorial, we will make two parts in Solidworks. Go to the choose part and click OK. Then choose front plane sketch and draw a line from around this point to this. Right click construction geometry. Draw a line from this this try to do as I do now. Right click select, choose this line, and this line, make them symmetric. Similarly this line, and this symmetry. Similarly do it for all of the vertical lines. Collinear. Choose this and this, make them collinear. Go to Smart Dimension, add the dimension on this sketch. Define this dimension 25, 19, 64. Define this 13 mm. Then go to Features, Extrude Boss Base, keep mid-plane, then choose this face, sketch, draw a circle, choose a line, right click, select construction geometry, choose both the circles and make them equal, then define a dimension, choose 13, from this point to this 10 mm. Now it is fully defined. Again, choose line and draw lines. Smart dimension, define the dimension. 45. Choose line, draw a line from this point to this, right click, construction geometry, select this and mirror about this line, click OK. Then go to features, extrude cut, extrude it around through all and click OK. Click this face sketch, draw a circle, again here, right click select, choose this and this, make them vertical, choose this and this, make it tangent, go to select, smart dimension, define dimension around 13 mm and this 35. Then draw a line up to there, right click select, trim extent, trim this edge, click OK. Make some collinear, then go to features, extrude cut through all, then click OK. Again, you have to edit these parts 35 times 2. Navigate right and choose this. You have to delete this sketch, click yes. Then again, you have to draw a circle. Smart dimension defines the dimension is the diameter of the circle 13 mm. It's from this to this 46 mm. Choose these points and these points, make them vertical. Exit the sketch, navigate our part. Now go to the second new part. Choose right plane sketch. We have to draw a rectangle. Choose this rectangle and draw a center line, right click construction geometry, then make them symmetric, type a dimension around 90 mm and 18 mm, right click, exit smart dimension, choose this line and this point, make them coincidence. Now our geometry is fully defined. Go to features, extrude boss base, extrude it around 50 mm, click OK. Choose this face, sketch, and draw a slot from this point to this. Choose this engine, convert it. We have to trim some parts. Define dimension 70 mm and this arc 25. Choose this circle and this line, make them that tangent. Make them coincidence and make it vertical. Trim extend, trim this line. Make it equal. Draw a circle. Type a dimension around 24 mm. Go to features, extrude boss base, flip direction, twenty mm. Choose this face, sketch. Exit the sketch. We have to trim this and click OK. Go to extrude cuts, 10 mm. Click OK. Now get this. Choose this face, not this face, and sketch. Then draw a rectangle, smart dimension 20 mm. Define around 15 mm. from this point to this smart dimension. Now it is fully defined. Go to extrude cut, cut it through all, click OK. Now we get this, click this face and the sketch, go to rectangles, choose corner to corner rectangle, then draw a center line, right click, construction geometry, select them and make symmetry, go to smart dimension, define the dimension, go to features, extrude cut, cut it around 5 mm, choose the circle, draw a circle, define the diameter of this circle, go to features, extrude cut, cut it around through all. Now we get our part. You can add an appearance on it or whatever material you want.